Hey everyone, I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to connect Fidelity to TradingView in 2026 so that you can place your trades directly from your chart. So if you are interested in the TradingView premium subscriptions, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you are going to get up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. So you can come here on this page and explore the offers. If you were looking for the discount on the TradingView subscriptions, now is the time for you to purchase it. So first of all, in order to connect Fidelity to your TradingView account, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you just have to click on the products option, or you can click on the option of the search icon. Then you need to launch the chart of that particular stock or that particular currency basically on which you want to connect Fidelity. So once you are here on the chart, click on the option of paper trading that you see here in the bottom. Most probably you will see the option of trading panel. So after clicking on it, click on the option of show all brokers. Now over here, use the search bar here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then click on the option of search icon and look for Fidelity. As you can see, when I searched for Fidelity, it is not going to show me any kind of Fidelity broker over here. It is because in 2026, Fidelity isn't fully integrated to TradingView for the direct order execution in every region. But TradingView still allows you to connect your Fidelity account for data syncing and limited trading futures when the integration is available. So if it shows up over here, you just have to click on the option of connect. Then when it asks you to provide the sign-in credentials, you just have to provide your username and your password associated with Fidelity. Then you need to simply confirm your login, approve the connection request, and TradingView will link your brokerage account. So once it is connected successfully, it will be available over here. You will see all of your account balance and bunch of different information here on this page. So it is also going to show you the buy and the sell option, with the help of which you can basically punch your order and all of your orders will be executed in your Fidelity account as well. Now, if you don't see the Fidelity in your trading panel, it simply means that it is not supported for your region yet. So if that's the case, you can still track Fidelity assets on TradingView, but you can't trade directly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.